My YouTube channel. So today we will discuss also is about geometrical pair of linear equations in two variables. Different problems related to different types of the word problem related questions are here. So we will say generally facing, and here we will discuss about the word related problem that we encountered in encounter with in our daily lives in generally. So here are different types of the problem based questions is available here, so that we are facing related to the some problems based question related to the age based problems, some related to the commercial level of problems, some related to the problems that was number and digit based problems, and some are related to the fraction based problems, and some related to the for distance, speed and time based problems, and finally time and work based problems, and then geometrical and also mensuration based problems that associated with the lines and angles and triangles, and these are the different types of the problems we will discuss here first, and take the examples as to solve these types of problems, and how we will say assume, and how we will make the pair of linear equations for based on these problems by in condition by x and y, by supposing it's ego and before, ego and afters, and also 10 digit numbers, 10th place, 1's place, and also we can solve the here's the perimeters, perimeters area, and the programs of the measuration and geometrical based problems related questions we will discuss here, and time and work, some work based problems, that is the age of the persons, and time and work problems means that is equal to distance upon time. So on the basis of this we will solve the problems, and also we will solve the work done. So one person doing the work in 10 days, and then that's yeah, one by n persons will one by n work will be done in how many days, means the fraction of works we have to solve here. So here is the different types of the problems is related to that one by one. So first of all we will discuss here with related heading by headings, and topic by topic, so sorry, point by point, and then after we will take the example finally to show that how we will make it's in equation forms, and the solutions will be done. So okay, so here let's say starts here. So first the different types of word problems. Here is different types of words problem. This is here is the word problems related questions is you will discuss the different types of the word problem related you will encounter with so we will encounter is some important points are here. So we will discuss here convert a given statement into the pair of linear equations with the help of these given word related statement, we shall convert these statement into the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, two variables. Got it? First let's have a first problems related here is for the age based problems. Age based problems. Here's if the age based problems are asking questions, so first of all we will take the is a present age x and y, then x and y, and then ego is subtract, and after is aids aids. Then form the equations, then do the equals and the formal linear equations into variables. Okay. Second types of the questions here. So we will discuss. We know that commercial mathematic based problems. Commercial mathematics based problems. Commercial mathematics based problems. It is a different types. So here we'll discuss four types of commercial mathematics based problems. First, commercial mathematics based problems, finding out the number of two different articles. Finding out the number of two different problems articles by x and y. Okay, let's have the assuming x y is number first. Okay, x articles and the second will be y articles. Second, here we will discuss about the problem based on finding out the two different articles. Cost of finding two different articles cost by x and y, assuming by x and y. Got it? Third, see here's the questions. Third types of the questions is here's that the problem based on simple interest and taken as x and simple interest based problems. Simple interest. Fourth, here we will discuss here the fourth and last points, ticket journey and full tickets journey and full tickets. These related problems will also let here x and y, also let's see here x and y. By assuming and letting it say x and y, we will solve these types of problems by second. Third types of the problems, that is also we hear number and digit based problems. Here is third, number and digit based problems. Number and digit based problems. So we know that there are different types of the numbers and the digits are some one place. Let's one place. Ones place is equal to x and tens place is equal to 10x. X and tens place is equal to y. Okay, let's reversing the numbers. After some unit place is x and the tens place is y, then two digit numbers is given. Always be two digit numbers will given 10 ones plus 10y plus x. Okay, in these conditions 10y plus x, then the two digit numbers is given here. See, is 10, y plus is 10. So if the digit is given here, interchanging the numbers, if we interchange the number, then we will change here. Interchange the numbers means that so is the 10y is 10's place and the unit place is x, then it becomes 10x plus y, then converts, interchange these numbers. So on the basis of this, we will solve these types of the questions. Now fraction related based problems. Third and the fourth problems is here fraction based problems. Okay, fraction based problems we will discuss here. So now fraction based problems is here. So number of the fractions be x and the denominators here. So we will take the numerator is numerator. So numerator will be x and denominator will be assumed y. Numerator and so x and y, so fractions will be, so fractions of the digits can be written as x by y. Okay, in this way, so we will write here x by y. So by means of this, we can calculate the numbers related to this the fraction based problems. Now for the distance and the speed. Now fifth here is distance, speed and time based problems. Related one problem related questions here. So builds about some time based problems is given as some size speed is equal to when the y kilometer, let the speed of stream is y, let the speed of the things is x, and speed of the stream assume y. Okay, so assumes in the conditions if two conditions is involved here. So if in streams based problems we will take here, so then the downstreams and upstreams, two streams is available here. Downstreams it becomes x plus y. Okay, and upstreams it will be x minus y. Okay, so it will be conditions here applies x plus y and x minus y. On the basis of this we will make the problems here, say x and y, x plus y. Because of this by means of this we can solve the questions. Now 6 types of questions is here: times and work based problems. Time and work based problems. Okay, as you know that there are different types of the questions is here. So time and work based formula based on the types of the given problems. There are persons. Here is the persons. Suppose that a persons do a piece of work in a day, and then the several work can be done in, let's a piece of work will be x, and several works with how many several works we will do here. So always we go in take the times more, so vice versa we can say that work is in n days, and then the work will be do n days, or we are completing work in n days, and as completed work 1 by n. Okay, so 1 by n. So it's because of work always we complete means that one work can be done 1 day, then 4 work can be done 4 day. No, one work can be done if the fraction one persons do the one work in 1 day. So 4 work in how many days? Then it's depend upon the person's capacity, means that depends if the persons is not number of persons not increasing, the work is increasing, then the work one persons can do any works not in a series way. So we can divide it by it's letting it's n. 7 types of questions here. So we will for the geometry and mensuration based problems we will take here. So geometry and here is the geometricals, means that so you know you have you know that's a geometry and the mensuration based problems. These are the geometry and mensuration based problems is also here seen in our several episodes. Some of degrees of is 180 degree, and the parallelograms in angles, in triangles, in parallelograms. First in we will calculate in triangles. Second questions, types of questions in parallelograms. Okay, third types of questions is cyclic, quadrilateral. Okay, these are the types of the questions that geometrical related to cyclic, quadrilaterals, and area. Fourth is area of quadrilaterals, and perimeter, meter of quadrilaterals. These are the different types of the questions. Also, related the bar problems related questions can be serve as so we will use here different mode of the length and the breadth. Is here so 180 degrees. We know that triangle based questions always be 180 degrees, and programs 360 degrees, and the cyclic quadrilaterals will always be, we know the cyclic quadrilaterals always be 360, but how many degrees it will calculate here. Cyclic quadrilaterals, suppose that pentagons is given here, so pentagons always be, it's become 360, and so here is 180, so it becomes 540. Got it? So 180 and 180 for 540 degrees Celsius. So area means that the area was suppose the area of we are talking about the area of rectangles. So length into breadth. So L into B, L suppose that X and breadth is equal to Y, then we will calculate by letting is the X and Y. Okay, so represent the quadrilateral here. Seconds, so perimeter means that if there is 2 in bracket L plus B, it's a further rectangular shapes of in trigonometrics representations can be calculated by means of it. Okay, these are the some problem based theoretical questions. Word problem based questions is here by means of that we have discussed, so that we can understood it clearly, and told you so that you we can make the statements into the pair of linear equations and solve it in a quick way, a systematic way. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Once again, as I'm giving my welcome, so don't forget to share, subscribe my channel, so that you cannot miss the any new oriented video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.